How to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing on Instagram in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can fix that and how you can get the Notes feature back on your Instagram account. So let's go ahead and get right in with the video here. So you guys can see that if I head over to my direct messages, I actually have the Notes feature. Now, this is common for everybody. Everybody would usually get the Notes feature, but the thing is, when Instagram actually updates, not many people actually get this feature rolled out to them. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fix that. So let's go ahead and get into the first solution. So basically, you're going to want to go ahead and head over to the App Store here, guys, and you're going to want to go ahead and update Instagram. Now, this is very common. People don't update their app, and that's why they don't get some of the latest features. So it's very important, guys, that you go ahead and update to the newest version. And you guys can see here that I've already updated before. That's why I have the Notes feature now. But go ahead and update to the latest version. That might be the case where you don't get it because you haven't updated your app. So just go ahead and do that. So that'll go ahead and be the first solution. Now, the second solution as of right now is if you head over to your profile, click the three horizontal lines and then click settings and privacy. Now from here, make your way all the way down until you see help. Go ahead and click help and then click report a problem. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you to shake your phone. Just go ahead and click the second option right here with the exclamation mark that says report problem without shaking. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you if you want to include the diagnostics and logs. Go ahead and do that. It does become helpful for Instagram to see. So here you're going to want to give a brief description of what is actually happening. Now, since we don't have the Notes feature, or since you don't have the Notes feature, you're just going to want to go ahead and put, I don't have the Notes feature, and basically just give them a brief description. They'll go ahead and look at it. Usually this is common. They don't really roll it out to people because they haven't updated. So they're probably going to tell you something, or they're just going to fix it just by, them actually diagnosing it themselves. So just go ahead and send them a ticket and they'll go ahead and review that, guys. It does take 1 to 5 days. As far as my experience went, it was that long. So go ahead and do that, guys. That should get it fixed for you. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.